All right, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Okay, so today we are talking gear bags. Look, I've ever seen a martial arts gear bag review. We all have them. We do. If you're ever serious about martial arts and you're a lifer, um, you have a gear bag. You go to clinics, camps, clinics, competitions. We jump on planes. We go across the oceans. Go across the different places, U.S., different countries. I mean, hop on planes, drive. We bring gear with us. I have a tournament in 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. It's a tournament with some masters workouts. I think I have 3 or 4 workouts with higher ranks, senior master and my grandmaster, and so I take gear with me everywhere I go. So what I do is of course I will put my dobok, my uniform, in my gear bag as well. I'm wearing it now because I'm doing a workout here, so I would put that in my bag. But this is kind of the stuff that I would take with me to tournaments, camps, clinics, things like that. All bags will vary for you guys, but let's talk about the bag real quick. This is a fairly new bag for me. This is a smaller bag than my last one. My last one was big. Had two rollers on the bottom. Had a handle that came out of the back, and I just roll it around. That got a bunch of holes in it, broken. I've had it for years, so I was like, well, let me grab another one. But this is a smaller one, and I'm kind of testing it out. I'm not sure if everything that I have will fit in this, but this is what I have. So this is a new design with all the martial artists. I feel that they are. I see a lot of these bags around the martial arts world right now, and it has 2 deals. It has duffel bag handles, so you can have it like going to the gym, which we're going to the studio. So duffel bag handles, and then it has backpack handles as well. So let me see if I can get a close up of this here. So underneath these backpack handles, there's a zipper right here that has a pocket right in the back here that these will slide in. Let me go ahead and show you that here. So it has little snaps on the bottom, but you can stuff these inside the pocket back here, and then if you want to use it as a duffel, then you won't have the backpack handles in your way or snagging, stuff like that. But I kind of like the backpack side of it. It's always had them at school, so I kind of like the backpack feature on this. And then it has one more handle, strap handle that you can do. So it has a knob on that side, and it has a little knob on this side, and it has one big strap, so you can just throw it over your shoulder. That kind of got in the way. It's just sitting over here on a chair. I don't know if I will use that because straps. I don't like getting straps hooked on things and having all these straps here, and then having that big one always seemed to be a little bit too much for me. So I just took that off. But it does have tightening straps on the bottom end, and it has the same kind of point and latch on the tightening straps. Has one on here, then it has one up here a bit more on it, so you can tighten it down. If you take it on a plane, you can kind of cinch cinch it down tight. And then we have two big pockets on the sides, and it takes the whole side space right here. And it comes up on this side, and then it goes all the way down. The zipper's kind of in the middle of the pouch, the pocket, but it does stretch completely down from the bottom and up here. Has them on both sides. And this pocket's right here. The zipper's here. And then let's go ahead and start with this one first. This is where I have all my wraps, my stretch wrap, my hand wraps. Got two of those. You can see the other one. Yeah, the other one here, just hand wrap so I can, if I'm doing a speed bag or something, if that's kind of what you're into. And then I have a bunch of tape, athletic tape. I love athletic tape. I've had athletic tape for years, and I started using the athletic tape when I used to rodeo. I would tape my wrist up for riding bulls. I screwed my wrist up early in life, and I've had a problem with my wrist ever since. So I make sure I have a lot of athletic tape in here. I just kind of stuffed everything. Oh, I got some black athletic tape there. And then I have a chin strap an extra chin strap for my sparring helmet. If it does come undone, then I have a spare right there I could put on. And then I got a patch from my studio. This is the organization that I'm in now. GTMA. I just bought this because it was a big patch, and if I wanted to use it on, something, then I could. Okay, let's take a look at my med kit. Now, with my med kit, if you guys have a med kit in your gear bag, I would probably assume that you gear your med kit to yourself. If you have allergies, I would probably say you have some allergy pills in there. Ibuprofen if you get little headaches. I always seem to get headaches because I forget to drink water a lot, and I just get these little like annoying headaches, and so I just pop an ibuprofen, and then I'm good for the day. Band-aids. I don't have a pair of scissors in here, but I do carry a knife on me. So I would have my regular, clothes, and I would have a knife. I would just, if I needed to cut some tape or, cut something, then I would always have a knife. But I would say get some scissors in here, maybe some fingernail clippers, things like that. But I got an alcohol wipe. I have some gauze. If it's pretty big, if I'm bleeding all over, and it happens. I mean, we're martial artists. You're going to get bumps and bruises and everything. And hopefully, with the place that you're training in, it'll be in a safer environment. A studio. I know in my style we do have some camps and clinics that are up in the woods, and we'll go hiking out in the woods. There, I would probably gear my med kit a little bit more for that terrain. Blisters on your hiking boots or whatever it is. I would gear that a little bit more severe because we're in the woods, and woods seem to bite you when you're at least expecting it. So I would gear that towards you, whatever you do. And now let's go ahead and get to the main pocket here. And if you see it right here, I got this big zipper right down the middle of the whole thing, big plastic zipper. So first off, let's get to the gear. So I got my foot gear here. If you guys saw my sparring videos, I kind of gave you a look at all my sparring gear. Same gear. Have had it since day one, so that's it has molded to my head and my body pretty good. Of course, my hand gear, old school hand gear. I love my hand gear. My helmet. I like my helmet. I did a quick explanation of why I have the face guard on here. Uh, in my old style, they required a face mask for everybody years and years ago, and so we put it on, and now it's so comfortable, and it seems like, when I have it off, it just feels weird to me. And I'm an older guy, like I'm in my 40s. Like there's no need to like get a broken nose, um, fat lips just because I want to, show people how tough I am. Like I don't need to show anybody anything. So I like the headgear face guard, and it kind of works like it kind of feels like a football helmet. So I grab the front of it and I could slide it off and on. It's comfortable. I enjoy it a lot. So I keep it on there. I have my uh, stick fighting weapon, and you guys saw this in my other videos. Same bug mungy. The PVC pipe with the water noodle foam um, part here, rubber handle, and then some fabric over the top of that, and you can hit it and work it like that. So, and then I got my chest protector, same thing, all the same gear from my sparring video. I've had this from day one. The only thing that went wrong with this was the zipper years ago. Took it to a seamstress. She put a new zipper on there, a nice, sturdy, hard plastic one. Haven't had problems since. I love this deal. It fits me perfect. So I keep that there. And then I have my shin guards right here. And then I do have a towel, and it's out there. I found it in my old bag, but I do have a towel in here because I do sweat a lot. So I want to make sure that I have my towel in here. And then let's go with the last pocket. And the last pocket is just right on the bottom of it. And then this has my bag gloves that, if I'm for stick fighting, and if I'm doing some cage work, MMA stuff, then I have some low padded hand gear. So yeah, this is everything I have in the bag. Like, subscribe. Till next time, train hard, train smart. See you then.